Hi guys, welcome to the Mobrage Saturday Open Workshop. This is a special time on Saturday when vehicle owners invite us to repair or maintain their vehicles at their premises, offices, or somewhere else. The task we have today is to change the oil filter and air filter on a Vauxhall Zafira Tourer Exclusiv. Let's get to it. So for this, what we need to do for a start is make sure that the vehicle is parked on level surface and get all our tools ready. For a start, we need to raise the front end of the vehicle. We'll be using a 2-ton jack, an axle stands, and we have chocks as well, which we're going to use to chock the rear end of the vehicle, any wheel station. Once we've raised the front end, then we can start with the oil change. Alright, now we are done with raising the front end of the vehicle. We'll get our pan ready to collect the oil. And the tool, we need to locate the drain plug. And once we locate the drain plug, the T20, unscrew that and let the oil fall out, like so. And now next we have to change the oil filter. It's just located right there as demonstrated. We use a 24mm socket to screw that out, and take it out now. So there it is. So we'll pull that out and clean the other half. That's a new filter. You prep it and get it ready to put it back in, and screw it back in. Screw it back in, and still using the 24mm socket. We're just going to tighten that and make it properly secured in place. Like so. And now, having done that, we will now lower the vehicle so that it's all leveled and we can top up the oil. So we'll take off the axle stands and drop the vehicle down. Nice. There's a filler point. So unscrew that, and we'll be using a funnel because where that's located is a little bit so we'll top it up about 4 to 4.5 liters of oil. Check your dipstick. Make sure the lever is, so make sure it's topped up to the maximum point. Alright, once that's done, just double check everything again. And now we're going to do the air filter change. So those are the 6 points. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take that off. It's quite easy to access. And once you have that loosened, there's your filter. You just take that out, clean the inside, put a new one in, and that's it basically. Put a new one in, tie it back up, and do final checks. You're good to go. So the last checks we're going to be doing is check underneath the engine for any leaks while the engine is turned off. And what we also do is we start the engine and let it run, then check for any leaks. Lastly, once the engine has cooled down, check the oil level again and add more if necessary. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next week.